How to draw lines and shapes in Binomo.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to draw lines and shapes on the Binomo chart, first of all open up a web browser and type in Binomo.com in the search bar and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Binomo.com account, and once you're signed in, go ahead and click on this drawing tools option from the home page at the bottom left, and you'll open up the drawing tools. Now select the tool you want, such as if you want to draw a line, select line. You can choose other options such as ray, segment, continuous line, rectangle, etc. I'm just going to draw a rectangle over here, so let me click on rectangle. Now once you do that, go ahead and choose the color for your rectangle from the color palette and select the line style from the bottom and click apply. Now go ahead and click on the chart where you want the drawing to start, and once you do, you'll see this kind of circle. Go ahead and drag your mouse, and when finished, click once and you'll be able to draw a shape. If you want to discard the drawing, then you can go ahead and click on the trash icon right next to the drawing at the top left, and you have successfully deleted the drawing as well. Drawing tools are useful for marking trend lines, support and resistance level, and chart patterns. So there you have it. That is how you can easily create lines or shapes in Binomo.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.